About not only that crypto is recovering today, but some of the other things that you should consider outside of crypto potentially when it comes to looking to make money as you believe in crypto and you believe crypto is the future. Guys, I'm talking about some traditional stock picks, and I'm going to give you one example today, right? You could look at Bitcoin mining companies, you could look at chip manufacturers, you could look at crypto banks. Silvergate Capital, that's going to be one that we're going to talk about. One of the most shorted stocks right now on the market, and Blackrock is backing them. What? Say what? Yeah, that's right. We got to talk a little bit about it. Smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day. When we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, folks. So don't miss out. Yesterday, we barely bounced off the $1 trillion mark, and of course, there could still be more downside for crypto. But it does look pretty good right now. Looking at this Bitcoin chart, it seems like it is wanting to recover and make its way here back up. You know, we were looking maybe at a bounce around 21.6, came a little bit under that, and looks like we're bouncing right now. Keep an eye out for the rest of this weekend here and into this next week. Hopefully we can get a bullish February in the end. There's still time, folks. There's still time. But other things I want to share with you guys, crypto bank Silvergate. In case you didn't know this, it is the second most shorted stock on Wall Street right now, which is very, very interesting to see. Now, maybe you do remember back during the last crypto bull run or just a few years ago when the GameStop short was happening and there was a huge short squeeze against the people that were bearish on GameStop. Traders on Reddit recognized this, took advantage of that short, and caused one of the biggest short squeezes we've actually seen in the traditional market in a very, very long time. So that was historic, really. And really, when I see Silvergate Bank, which is a crypto-friendly bank, when they rank as the second most shorted stock on Wall Street, honestly, guys, that gets me bullish. This is not financial advice. I'm not saying go out and buy Silvergate. It's inevitably going to be a short squeeze or anything like that. That's not what I'm saying. But what I am saying is that not only are cryptos down from their all-time highs, but crypto-related stocks are down from their all-time highs. And when you look at the ones that are getting attacked the most, I believe that a crypto bank like this is getting attacked the most, probably because any bank that chooses to adopt cryptocurrency and start working with Bitcoin is probably going to set themselves ahead of the pack and get themselves a huge competitive advantage. And I do think that the banks are working together to try to box crypto out. This is the actual stock for Silvergate. As you can see, it's down quite a bit. It used to be up at about $214, and now it's trading as low as like $13 today, $14, which is so crazy low. And you can even see that it almost the other day, it looked like, boom, this was a huge spike. And that spike, believe it or not, folks, came from an investment by Blackrock. But you got to note, some of this fear comes from the U.S. government does want to cut off crypto's access to banks, right? A lot of people have been talking about this staking attack with the SEC and trying to cut off the on-ramps and off-ramps for these crypto exchanges where it make it easy for me to withdraw and deposit my money into these crypto exchanges. There's definitely a battle here, and there's definitely a game of the banks do not want this to go mainstream. They don't want it to get out of control. But guys, even some of the world's oldest banks are allowing their residents to pay their taxes using crypto. But note, it's in Brazil. It's in Brazil. So other countries in the world are ready for Bitcoin adoption, for the huge crypto wave that's coming in the future. And Silvergate Bank's trying to get involved with this as well. They're trying to be a crypto-friendly bank because they see this ain't going anywhere. Crypto's here to stay. But the old system wants to kind of continue to box them out, which is very interesting to see. But you know, some of the biggest money movers here in the world, Blackrock Investments is one of the largest investment firms in the world. They have the most money, actually, in terms of any other investment firm in the world. And they increased their shares into Silvergate's bank a while ago. Silvergate stock is down about 90% over the past year, thanks to the crypto bear market and the shorters out in the market. And it did have a deposit relationship with FTX, which I really don't think, and you got to keep an eye on that, guys. If that's the one red flag here, apparently, Sam Bankman-Fried loved this bank. But again, any crypto bank, any crypto CEO would love. So, I like to see them get involved. We want to see the banks start to working with crypto. Of course, I'm all about DeFi. I prefer DeFi, but we want to see this get adopted in a big way. And I think some banks getting involved is a good thing. And it's interesting to see that they're getting fought out. But Blackrock sees the future as well. And they're a very smart investment company. They didn't get this big for no reason. They have over $8 trillion under asset management right now, which is incredible. But when you think about all the money that's on the world, I think there's like $500 trillion in the world. This is a huge, huge portion of that, guys. This is a huge portion. And the liquid cash that's available in the world, this is a really, really big number when you think about it that way. $10 trillion is extremely significant. The entire crypto market cap is $1 trillion. And so that's 10 times the market cap of crypto they manage. That's huge. They have been doing smart things with their money every single year. You can see since 2008, they went from $1 trillion. They 10x their money. That's absolutely incredible. And they got more people starting to put their money under their management, which is just so great to see for them. That being said, BlackRock is buying up a lot of properties across the globe, and they are aggressive. In fact, they're at a risk of having a real estate monopoly, but it's because they're smart and they're trying to get involved in crypto, and they see this crypto bank, is getting shorted. Maybe they see some kind of short squeeze coming. Maybe they also see this Bitcoin chart, folks. Crypto is historically very, very cheap, very, very cheap. And so it's a great buying opportunity. And the more that fear is out there, whether it's a crypto-related stock, a mining company, a crypto bank stock like Silvergate, or whether it's Bitcoin itself, there's still so much more upside as soon as this bull market does come. And so, guys, I'm very, very excited about it. Not financial advice. You just look historically, guys, at some of this price action. History doesn't necessarily repeat itself, but it certainly does rhyme. It certainly does rhyme. That's all I got, folks. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. We're giving away a loaded line when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel. Check out our Twitter giveaway. And if you want to become a member on the channel, you get additional entries towards that giveaway. All you got to do is go to our YouTube page and become a member right there or in the link in the description down below. Folks, that's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.